What are the main advantages of gas welding over ARC welding? People often think that gas welding is no match for arc welding. That arc welding is far superior to gas welding. And, in many ways, they are right. But, despite the popularity of arc welding, gas welding remains in the game. Do you want to know the reason behind this? Well, the below discussion will help you. A brief history of welding. Welding is the process of joining multiple parts together to form a single structure. The ancient Egyptians knew how to weld. And, evidence suggests that the process of welding was invented in 4000 BC during the Bronze Age. However, modern welding was invented by Nikolai Ben-Ardos in 1881. He developed a form of welding known as carbon arc welding. A lot has changed in the field of welding since then. Scientists have developed many types of welding processes. FYI, 4 different types of welding have been developed, viz. Gas welding, arc welding, resistance welding, solid-state welding. Here our conversation will be limited to gas and arc welding only. Gas welding, what is it? Edmond Fouché and Charles Picard invented gas welding in 1903. Back then, it was very popular. To weld 2 separate work pieces together, it generates a concentrated flame. And, to generate the flame, it burns a mixture of oxygen and acetylene. ARC welding, what is it? Instead of a concentrated flame, arc welding generates an electric arc. Just so you know, the temperature of the arc can reach 6,000 degrees Celsius. It is affordable, portable, versatile, and the most widely used welding process. Okay. Now that we have a brief awareness about the working of gas and arc welding, let's discuss why gas welding is still in the race. Advantages of gas welding over ARC welding. IT doesn't need electricity. Arc welding needs electricity to function. However, gas welding does not. This is the most important thing that keeps gas welding in the race. It's easy to use. Another advantage of gas welding over arc welding is its easiness of use. A person can use gas welding without any prior knowledge about it. Sum up. So, these are some of the advantages gas welding has over arc welding. We hope this will help you.